Refer to the instructions in the Unity manual for more details on how to build and run a Unity project for Android. Let's run the resulting Android project on the Android simulator. Tap the app icon for Quarters on your device's home screen, and the app will open. Click the button titled Authorize Quarters SDK. A browser window will open on the Quarters page for you to log in. Type in your username and passwords for Quarters and click Log In.
That's it. We've authorized a user and demonstrated that Quarters is properly integrated. What's next? We're now ready for the big moment we've been waiting for. How to transfer Quarters from players to you. Having problems? Building something cool? Look in the show notes and join us in our Discord chat. Was this helpful? Please upvote and comment below. Thank you.